Episode 64, Daylight and the Troublesome Trucks. One day, Sir Topham Hatt came to see Daylight. Daylight, your time on this railway is at an end. In a few days, you will be going back to your heritage railway. Okay, sir. But for now, I want you to collect some trucks from the scrapyard and take them to the harbor. Right away, sir, said Daylight, and he puffed away. Soon enough, Daylight arrived at the scrapyard and coupled up to the trucks. Thanks for arranging my train, Wef. No problem, Daylight. And soon enough, Daylight set off with his trucks. But as he was going down the line, the trucks decided to have some fun. On. Oh, no, you don't. Ow! Oh, cried the trucks. Our wheels are aching wheels. You're not throwing me off the rails. Today. And Daylight kept going, with the cars' wheels screaming behind them. Soon enough, Daylight arrived at the harbor without any trouble. Ow, ow, groaned the trucks. Our wheels are aching. Serves you right for trying to throw me off the rails. Indeed, said his driver. Sir Topham Hatt was especially pleased. Well done, Daylight. You managed to keep the trucks from crashing you. I am very proud of you. No problem, sir. Anyway, you can take a rest. You'll be heading back to your home railway soon. In a few days. Actually, in 2 days, sorry. Okay, sir, said Daylight. And Daylight uncoupled from the trucks, and he puffed away. Well, that's the end of the story. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video, so stay tuned. A William Reese production.